প্রবাদের জন্য পায়েসের কথা বলেছিল, এখন দিয়ে দেবো না কি করবো না জিজ্ঞেস করবো। আর ওদের এখন কেন তো এর পদ্ধতি
Today, we are here, Gaudiya Temple, President and everybody is available today. So we are wishing you welcome heartily, sir. So this is the 30th year we are celebrating our function here. So we are very happy to be here, sir. Janardhan Swami, Janardhana Maharaja, Gaurav. See, if you go, friend, I am not able to be here. Rama, Krishna. So, whenever we start our program, there is a traditional, we have to light a pretty. So, we are requesting you to you are all deaf, born as a deaf.
Okay.
So we have to bless the God and we have to get the blessings from the God. So we have to improve the Hinduism in our society. So by the childhood itself, family members, child, everything we have to teach about the Hinduism and our God. Ramanuja.
మానవుడిగా మనం పుట్టిన వాళ్ళం ఎక్కువగా సమాజం గురించి ఆలోచించడం కానీ ఇతరమైనటువంటి చుట్టూ ఉండే ప్రజానికి గురించి ఆలోచించడం కానీ చెయ్యకుండా నేనెవరు, నేను ఎందుకు జన్మించాను.
We came here. I am very happy to welcome everybody and the deaf and so 100 invitation we gave, but only 20 I think so turn up. Next time onwards you have to bring more devotees. So you have to bring the very good preach and everything we are getting, very good message we are getting. This message should be reach everywhere. So whatever family we are having lot of distraction, this thing, and we have to remove and we have to smile at least 2 hours. Come and bless the blessings of God. Ask wife to come. Why you came alone? Wife, children, everybody. So that blessing will be there and Guru will be there guiding everybody. Thank you very much. Language interpretation. Without her we are not able to understand anything. So her duty also very precious and the total of affection we are giving this. Thank you. So weekly we come here, we will assemble and we will get all the information about the God and God. So we We are very happy to be seeing you and getting the information from you.